nothing sexy, nothing flash, just fundamental housing. There is always a demand for this type of stock, and there's never enough supply. The growth that Australia is receiving just in the recent years, over 500,000 in population growth per year. They have to live somewhere. These people have to live somewhere, and the construction and property industry can never keep up with the demand. It's the reason why we are in this supposed housing crisis. It's a demand issue. There's too many people coming in, and the supply cannot keep up with that demand. So this is the beautiful end of the market to invest in, where you can get this type of stock well under the replacement costs. We like to buy a property for half the build costs, because then it's only a matter of time where the price you pay realigns to the build cost, and then when the boom takes off, it will then exceed it.